Hi, everybody. It's Adam.
Art and Petri.
And it's core word time. It's core word time.
Okay. What's the core word of the day?
The core word of the day is who.
Who?
That's right. Who. Right above my finger is our core word for the word who. And let's make a game out of it, okay?
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I like
Who?
I like you.
Oh,
So the who is usually a person or a pet or somebody with a name. So it's the who. Do you want to try again?
yes. Can I have a different pet? Come on.
Yes, you can.
All right, here comes Mr. Rat.
Okay, Mr. Rat, we're ready for you. You can come on.
I love jokes.
Well, hey, Mr. Rat, thanks so much for being here. Do you want to talk about the core word who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
You dirty.
You dirty who?
You're doing dirty rat. We rats love to be in the messes.
Okay, yes, you do. Thanks so much, Mr. Rat. I like your word use of the word who. That was great.
I have one more friend. He's even stinkier and dirtier than me.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh. Wait till you see him.
All right, let's see who comes. Oh, who are you?
I'm Stinky.
Well, hello, Stinky. Thanks for coming on. Are you a friend of Mr. Rat's?
Yes, he asked me to come on and tell a joke.
Okay, what kind of joke would you like to tell?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Stink.
Stink who?
Stink me, 'cause I'm a skunk. And not stink you.
Well, thank you for not stinking on me. You know what? I've never had a skunk on the show, but you actually are really a cool-looking puppet. So, nice work.
Okay.
All right, let's bring Petri back. Petri, what'd you think? Did you like the core word who?
Yes, I liked it 'cause you get to figure out who you're trying to talk about.
You're right. I like that too. Thanks so much for being here and talking about the core word who.